to keep on drinking when he gets to the ball. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, he's struggling. He's struggling.
Can you do it?
Oh, he can't do it.
Yeah.
He'll be able to do that. He's dribbling. He's dribbling big time. He's got the ball. He's got it. If we can handle it for the rest of it, he's no trouble. No trouble. Well played, Sunshine. Well played. Expensive big prize. More cider.
Oh, it's a bit there.
Can we get somewhere? I got this bottle, yeah.
Oh shit. You failed.
Almost, Andy, almost. Pass his camera.
You need to get that fucking whack.